Basements, what to look for when buying a house. Hey, Sean Ryan here from Rolla Page, and a common question we get all the time but when showing houses is, what should I look for in the basement to make sure I'm buying something good and that I'm not getting into a disaster? Well, so the first thing I always look at when I go into a basement is I like to look in the corners of the rooms, because if there is any sign of water damage or mold, discoloration, it's usually a good sign there's some issues and we should look into it further. We always look for sub pumps. Let's look for, if they're working, full of water, clogged up, and some houses won't have them that are older. Doesn't mean it's a bad thing at all. And basements leak sometimes. It's just a fact of life. And it doesn't mean we should just write that house off right away, because we just bring in some great contractors that can get it all repaired, and it'll be just as good as new. A great thing to look at too, if the basement's unfinished, sometimes that's a good thing too, because we know exactly what we're getting into. And is there a bathroom in the basement? Is there room for a rough-in or a potential for a rental income or another suite? That's always a great one too. So cheers. For more great tips, follow me on Instagram at Buying with Ryan, or follow me on Facebook at Sean Ryan Sarnia.